Okay, so we're doing an update video. So first of all, I got my wiring done here inside of the under the hood. I added a 20-something circuit fuse panel in here for all the extra circuits I'm going to be running at some point. And this is also to run my battery cables to the back. Another thing that's changed is apparently I have adopted a shop kitty. This is Cammy, the shop cat. He just showed up one day, like a week or so ago. And he is so lovable and likes to hang out with me here in the garage while I'm working. The next thing I did is the drum brakes appear to be done. And there's Cammy again wanting to be in the shot. I believe... Cammy, move. Move, bud. I believe I've got these all correct. I had to track down so many parts to get everything done on them. And the only thing I could not track down was this little washer that goes here. It's almost like a bow tie shaped washer that goes on the inside and holds the brakes back. So I had to use one of these big round washers on each side that I had in order to facilitate having that held in. Besides that, everything else appears to be right. I just got to bleed the brakes and put something on. And why are you just so lovable? You're a good shop kitty. The next thing I did is got the relocation for the battery completely done. So the battery is now moved back in here with this nice fancy looking billet aluminum battery tray. I got the cables coming up through here. I did use grommets and everything like that. It's all zip tied, you can't see it. And then I added my battery disconnect right there, so I can pull this out and then boom, power's dead to the whole car, and you can't really do anything with it. Now I might run a small 12-volt cable up to the front, or actually have it back here and have an alarm system that has full power even though the ignition is shut off. That's a little later project. Beep 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 beep. You see how I got this other side done? Now, the rest of everything I had done is here on the interior. As you can see, I have the glass sitting nice and perfect now. It does roll up all the way, and that is because I went ahead and I did get another window regulator to put in. I am still having troubles with it though, because I don't know if it's how easy does it see it, but there's a little well, I got the window up right now, but there's a guide that follows along this track right here, and it keeps popping out, and when it does, it kind of makes it a little the glass doesn't follow the track properly. You are just so lovable. The other things that I have gotten done is the steering wheel project is completely done. Get some light up in here. And the steering wheel is completely installed. I also got the ignition all back. The dash is completely all back together, as is should be. And I went ahead and I did go ahead and order me the steering wheel quick disconnect. So now I can just, if I can do this one hand, yeah, and boom, steering wheel comes off like that. And then this is another security measure, so I can just pop this on, and that's my steering wheel. So if I need to go to a restaurant or something like that, I can just pop this off, and these cars are super easy to break into, so I don't have to worry about, you know, someone stealing the car. The good thing about these hubs is that they are indeed big enough that it's real hard to put like pliers or something like that on it to steer this car without a steering wheel. So, and of course you gotta like that little ting. Now this hub does have more than enough room for the horn, so I do need to order a new button so I can hook this up and so I can get a better horn. And this cat just will not stay off of me. What are you doing, buddy? What you doing? You're a good kitty. Let me grab the keys. I do got one other thing that I fixed. Now, one of the things that was not working when I got the car, well, when I got power to it finally, is the AC was not working. I had to do some tracking down to find, but now the AC does indeed, does work. And it does blow quite good. So, I mean, it's 40 degrees here right now in the garage, but that is nice that come springtime when I'm actually going to be driving this car, I am going to have working AC in it. Well, at least fans. I don't know if the AC itself works yet. I have to test it when it's actually running and warm enough to see, but I mean, that's something. But yeah, that's more or less where I'm at right now on the build. I'm trying to figure out what the deal is with this window regulator or that track. I hope I don't have to replace this whole track in order to do it, which would kind of suck, but you know, it is what it is. But it would once I get that figured out, then I can slap the door panel back together, and then the interior on the car will be completely back together. Then all I have to do is bleed the brakes and put the wheels back on, and it'll be time to do a test drive. So that's where I'm at right now, and I'll keep y'all posted.